Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ocean Wind. On January 13th of 2016, she made her last voyage to sea. She is another beautiful sight that was created by the Florida Artificial Reef Program. Lying at a max depth of 93 feet, she creates a great sight for the advanced diver. Being as new as she is, a large diversity of fish have not found their way to the wreck yet. But with the amazing amount of growth that has already accumulated, it won't be long before they find their way here. Throughout the video, you'll find that the structure is easily entered. Because of the ease of ingress, this is a perfect site to the introduction of penetration diving. Everything about this site is both fun and exciting. So come out and enjoy all the different sights and let Jolly Roger Dive Charters take you on your next adventure.